Hi, I'm Anthony Arconi. I'm Partner Account Manager at AWS, and I'm here with my partner, Changeis. They're part of our small business portfolio on our federal partners team. I'm going to have everybody introduce themselves. Varun, why don't you start?
Thank you, Anthony. Varun Malhotra. I'm the president at Changeis.
Hello, I'm Josh Reese. I'm the Director of Client Development and Strategy at Changeis.
Hello, everyone. I'm Aaron McCann. I'm the Director of Service Delivery for Changeis.
So, Varun, why don't we start with you? Can you please tell us about yourself, your role, and how Changeis came about?
Sure. Well, I'm the president, and as you know, change is in our name. Focus on the public sector, Changeis helps its customers achieve greater mission effectiveness through enterprise transformation efforts. Often these efforts take the form of digital modernization programs. So Changeis helps its customers carefully plan for that change and then with agility boldly execute on those priorities.
Could one of you share a project that really shows the value of your services with AWS to the federal government?
Anthony, we are pleased to have the opportunity to share and showcase a project that we worked on in partnership with AWS, where we took a large aviation and regulatory agency from a mainframe to an ERP and then into the cloud to completely transform the way they plan and execute their supply chain.
In order to do this, we had to help the FAA transform their approach to software development and delivery, take them away from a legacy waterfall approach and introduce them to an agile way of doing business. Otherwise, we wouldn't have been able to help them execute this. Changeis planned and implemented this COTS product ERP solution for the agency. But in turn with that, we also had to develop an entire pipeline for continuous integration and delivery for all the software applications that supported the supply chain, all their legacy applications as well as the new product that we were helping put in place. We tested over 50 times and we got our delivery and migration, and this included a major ERP system upgrade to 18 hours from the push of the first button through automation and utilizing the technology and tools available to us with AWS and some of our other software partners.
So can you tell me a little bit about how your customers are benefiting from working with you and AWS jointly?
So AWS and the partnership through the AWS Partnership Network provides significant training benefits to our staff, which then is transferable to our clients that we're working with. It ensures that the clients are receiving highly trained AWS certified staff, and these learning opportunities then really open up a new pathway for our staff to advance and bring stronger and more resilient solutions to the client.
That's right. I'll add, Anthony, that often organizations think about enterprise change initiatives, especially those that are related to digital modernization, as technology projects. And what we found specifically in not only this case study, but all successful case studies, is that you have to take a broader look. Starting with mission effectiveness. It was important going into this program that we be able to deliver with speed. There was a need to quickly deliver capability in an incremental manner, obviously going away from the big bang approach. And then followed by the technical excellence that is needed to get that done, which in turn was a benefit to our customer. And third, but not the least, I think is often an underrated capability or advantage that you have is the partnership with the OEM vendors and others.
So Josh, in your experience over the past 6 to 8 months that we've been working together, what advice would you give to other public sector customers in their consideration of migrating to the cloud?
Yeah, so I would give them kind of three major takeaways. Number one is keep your mission in mind. You really need to understand what that mission impact is going to be. That's crucial in terms of number one. Number two is looking at the technical excellence of this. So in fact, the customer would benefit by bringing in AWS and Changeis cloud professionals and ensuring that every part of the process is being thought of and covered. And then third, it's really that partnership impact. The partnership impact is really critical in terms of allowing the best solution brought forward. So whether that's Changeis or other ISV partners that we're working with and working closely with AWS, we can ensure that the customer is going to have the best available solution brought forward to the table.
So we've been talking with Changeis executives, Varun, Josh, and Aaron, and really want to thank them very much for their time and their effort, and especially their partnership and service to the federal government.